welcome to The Well-Educated Artist. Today we're going to have some fun with color, and BRTurner, who is one of the movers and shakers in the pouring community on YouTube, calls this a well pour. I've always heard it called a middle split, but either way we're going to have some colors that are definitely inspired by BR's work. So let's get started. Okay, so the color was a lot of fun, and here it is dry. It's definitely not as symmetrical as a BRTurner work, but it was a lot of fun. So whatever you call it, well pour or middle split, it's a lot of fun. Give it a try. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell when you want to know when the next video will be. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.